Welcome to Merit Academic Care, a place for creative education. আসসালামু আলাইকুম। ইংলিশ লিটারেচারের চতুর্থ ভিডিওতে আপনাদের স্বাগতম। আজকের এই ভিডিওর মাধ্যমে আমরা ইংলিশ লিটারেচার থেকে বিসিএস সহ বিভিন্ন পরীক্ষায় আসা বাছাইকৃত 120টি গুরুত্বপূর্ণ এমসিকিউ নিয়ে আলোচনা করব। চলুন তাহলে শুরু করা যাক। প্রথমেই আমাদের যে এমসিকিউটি রয়েছে, দ্য স্কার্ড ফ্লেম ইজ রিটেন বাই কারেক্ট অ্যান্সার ডি অস্কার ওয়াইল্ড। পরবর্তী প্রশ্ন, অথর অফ দ্য টাইম মেশিন ইজ H.G. Wells. Correct answer is D. Next question, George Bernard Shaw is dash is a playwright. Next question, Francis Bacon is a or an. The correct answer is essayist. Next question, who wrote some books are to be tasted, others to be swallowed, and some few to be cured and digested? The correct answer is খ অর্থাৎ ফ্রান্সিস বেকন। Next question, better to resign in hell than to serve in heaven. Who said this and where? The correct answer is ক, that means Satan in Paradise Lost. Next question, who is the author of The Timing of the Shrew? The correct answer is B, that means Shakespeare. পরবর্তী প্রশ্ন, who is the composer of Paradise Lost? The correct answer is John Milton. Next question, Paradise Lost was written by? The correct answer is John Milton. That's the similar question. Next question, who wrote the book Paradise Regained? The correct answer is John Milton. Next question, the worth of Achilles is the theme of? The correct answer is Iliad. Next question, which of the following is a comedy written by Shakespeare? The correct answer is As You Like It. Next question, Gulliver's Travel is a famous story by Jonathan Swift. Next question, who is well known for his translation of the Rubaiyat of Omar Khayyam into English? The correct answer is Edward Fitzgerald. Next question, who wrote the Spanish tragedy? Correct answer Thomas Kyd. Next question, which of the following plays is a comedy? The correct answer is All's Well That Ends Well. Next question, cowards die many times before their death. বাক্যটি শেক্সপিয়ারের কোন নাটক থেকে উদ্ধৃত হয়েছে? সঠিক অ্যান্সার জুলিয়াস সিজার। Next question, meets and Milo fruitfulness. Which of the following figures of speech is used in this sentence? The correct answer is alliteration. Next question, who is the author of Arabian Nights? The correct answer is none of them. Next question, award of Nobel Prize in Literature was started from the year? Correct answer 1901. Next question, Booker Prize দেওয়া হয়? Correct answer A, সাহিত্যের জন্য। Next question, in Under the Greenwood Tree, the tree refers to? Nature. Next question, a Shakespearean play consists of 5 acts. Next question, who wrote cowards die many times before their death? The correct answer is Shakespeare. Next question, ঈশ্বরচন্দ্র বিদ্যাসাগরের ভ্রান্তিবিলাস কোন গ্রন্থের অনুবাদ? সঠিক উত্তর দ্য কমেডি অফ ইরোর্স। পরবর্তী প্রশ্ন, হু ইজ দ্য অনলি ট্রোজান হু ডিড নট স্পিক ইভিল অফ হেভেন অ্যান্ড ওয়াজ দ্য জেন্টেল অ্যান্ড কাইন্ড টু হার? কারেক্ট অ্যান্সার প্রিয়ম। নেক্সট কোশ্চেন, আঙ্কেল টমস ক্যাবিন এর লেখক কে? সঠিক উত্তর এমআরএস হ্যারিয়েট স্টোব। নেক্সট কোশ্চেন, হুইচ অন অফ দ্য ফ্লোয়িং ইজ রিটেন বাই রবার্ট হ্যাট্রিক? কারেক্ট অ্যান্সার টু ড্যাফোডিলস। নেক্সট কোশ্চেন, all the words stage and all the men and women merely players, a question from Shakespeare as you like it. নেক্সট কোশ্চেন, শার্লক যে নাটকের চরিত্র সেই নাটকটির নাম? কারেক্ট অ্যান্সার দ্য মার্চেন্ট অফ ভ্যানিস। নেক্সট কোশ্চেন, হ্যারি পটার অ্যান্ড দ্য হাফ-ব্লাড প্রিন্স বইটির রচয়িতাকে? সঠিক উত্তর জে.কে. রলিং। নেক্সট কোশ্চেন, জর্জ ইলিয়ট প্রকৃত নাম কি ছিল? সঠিক উত্তর ম্যারি অ্যানে ইভ্যান্স। নেক্সট কোশ্চেন, হু ইজ দ্য গ্রেটেস্ট মডার্ন ইংলিশ ড্রামাটিস্ট? দ্য কারেক্ট অ্যান্সার ইজ জর্জ বার্নার্ড শো। নেক্সট কোশ্চেন, উইলিয়াম ওয়ার্ডসওয়ার্থ এস.টি. কলেরিজ। নেক্সট কোশ্চেন, Tennyson wrote? The correct answer The Lotus Eaters. Next question, A Passage to India এর লেখক কে? সঠিক উত্তর E.M. Forster. Next question, who is the author of The Rime of the Ancient Mariner? The correct answer is S.T. Coleridge. Next question, water, water, everywhere not a drop of drink occurs in? Correct answer The Ancient Mariner. Next question, who is the poet of the Victorian age? সঠিক উত্তর রবার্ট ব্রাউনিং। Next question, the first English novel Pamela has been written by? The correct answer Samuel Richardson. Next question, the Patriot কবিতাটি কে রচনা করেছেন? Correct answer রবার্ট ব্রাউনিং। Next question, Phoenix is a mythological bird. Next question, who wrote the book Cancer World? That is Alexander Solzhenitsyn. Next question, Charles Dickens was the writer of? The correct answer is David Copperfield. Next question, A Tale of Two Cities is a novel by? The correct answer is Dickens. Next question, who is the author of The Old Man and the Sea? The correct answer is E. Hemingway. Next question, Charles Dickens is a great? Correct answer novelist. Next question, who translated the Bible into English for the first time? The correct answer is John Wycliffe. Next question, The God of Small Things is written by Arundhati Roy. Correct answer is C. Next question, The Ancient Society গ্রন্থের লেখকের নাম কি? সঠিক উত্তর L.H. মর্গান। পরবর্তী প্রশ্ন, ডক্টর জিভাগো বইটি কার লেখা? সঠিক উত্তর বরিস পাস্টারনাক। Next question, who wrote the Iliad? Correct answer is Homer. Next question, The End of History and the Last Man গ্রন্থটির রচয়িতাকে? সঠিক উত্তর এম ফ্রান্সিস ফুকুমা। Next question, who is the author of The Jungle Book? The correct answer is Rudyard Kipling. Next question, water, water everywhere, not a drop to drink. Correct answer is Coleridge. Next question, what type of book The Omen is? The correct answer is a novel. Next question, the author of the book Asian Drama is Kunar Maidral. Next question, point counterpoint এর লেখক কে? সঠিক উত্তর Aldous Huxley. Next question. Shakespeare was famous for all but one of the following. Correct answer, tragic drama. Next question. শোকগীতি লিসিডাসের রচয়িতা কে? সঠিক উত্তর জন মিল্টন। Next question. In the lines, here shall we see no enemy, taken from under the greenwood tree. Here is the greenwood tree. Next question. হোয়াইটহেডের বিখ্যাত পুস্তিকাটি নাম কি? সঠিক উত্তর The Aim of Education. Next question. Browning wrote. Correct answer, Rabbi bin Ezra. Next question. Lorna Doone is, the correct answer is a novel by Blackmore. Next question. Silent Woman written by Ben Jonson. Next question. Which word seems out of place? The correct answer is daffodil. Next question. The novel Roots was written by, the correct answer is C, Alex Haley. Next question. The Return of the Native is written by, the correct answer is Thomas Hardy. Next question. Author of The Picture of Dorian Gray, the correct answer is Oscar Wilde. Next question. Reading make a full man conference a ready man. Written an exact man who said this. Correct answer is Bacon. Next question. The Captive Lady কার রচনা? সঠিক উত্তর মাইকেল মধুসূদন দত্ত। Next question. Who wrote the book Lord Jim, a Tale? The correct answer is A. Joseph Conrad. Next question. Who is the author of Spirit of Islam? The correct answer is Soed Amir Ali. Next question. Brick Lane is written by Monica Ali. Next question. Comedy of Errors is written by William Shakespeare. Next question. Ernest Hemingway is a famous American novelist. Next question. Who is the author of For Whom the Bell Tolls? The correct answer is Ernest Hemingway. Next question. In the poem To Daffodils, the poet weeps over. The correct answer is D. Short-lived human life. Next question. Who among the following is a dramatist? The correct answer is George Bernard Shaw. Next question. Goethe is the greatest poet of Germany. Next question. One of the following author, one is American. Who is he? The correct answer is William Faulkner. Next question. Caesar and Cleopatra is a play by George Bernard Shaw. Next question. Man and Superman বইটি কার লেখা? সঠিক উত্তর জর্জ বার্নার্ড শ। Next question. In Under the Greenwood Trees, the poet mentioned two enemies. Next question. A famous short story of Maupassant is The Diamond Necklace. Next question. Alice in the Wonderland belongs to, the correct answer is juvenile literature. Next question. Which one of the following is the first in English? The correct answer is Beowulf. Next question. Where is expressed the view that there is a divinity that shapes our aims? The correct answer is in Hamlet. Next question. Famous Irish poet and dramatist is W.B. Yeats. Next question. Who translated the New Testament? The correct answer is John Williff. Next question. Who did write first English dictionary? The correct answer is Samuel Johnson. Next question. Paradise Lost is a dash. Paradise Lost is an epic poem by John Milton. Next question. Nobel Prize winner in literature Harold Pinter is from? The correct answer is UK, United Kingdom. Next question. Who is the author of A Farewell to Arms? The correct answer is Ernest Hemingway. Next question. Guy de Maupassant is a famous dash short story writer. The correct answer is France. One of the four mentioned below is not a poet of romantic age. The correct answer is William Blake. Next question. A.S. Hornby is famous for? The correct answer is writing dictionaries. Next question. The most striking feature of D.H. Lawrence's characters is that? The correct answer is the almost portray himself. Next question. Who is the author of the drama You Never Can Tell? The correct answer is Christopher Marlowe. Next question. Who wrote the Odyssey and the Iliad? The correct answer is Homer. Next question. Of the following authors, who wrote an epic? The correct answer is John Milton. Next question. Which one is the shortest dramatic work? The correct answer is Breath. Next question. The Affluent Society বইটি লেখককে? সঠিক উত্তর J.K. Galbraith. Next question. A Russian author who refused Nobel Prize. The correct answer is Boris Pasternak. Next question. To the Lighthouse বইটির রচয়িতা কে? সঠিক উত্তর ভার্জিনিয়া ওলফ. Next question. Who wrote Crime and Punishment? The correct answer is Dostoevsky.
Elizabeth's tragedy is centered on? সঠিক উত্তর A অর্থাৎ রিভেঞ্জ. পরবর্তী প্রশ্ন. In which way do you find Hindu illusion of philosophy? সঠিক উত্তর গ অর্থাৎ the wasteland. পরবর্তী প্রশ্ন. Which two things of nature does Robert Atwood find similar to human beings and daffodils? সঠিক উত্তর B অর্থাৎ summer rain and morning dew. পরবর্তী প্রশ্ন. The last line of two daffodils is? The correct answer is B. As quick a growth to meet decay. পরবর্তী প্রশ্ন. Charles Lamb was? The correct answer is an essay. পরবর্তী প্রশ্ন. Who is the writer of the critical work aspects of novel? সঠিক উত্তর Edward Morgan Forster. Christopher Marlowe is Shakespeare's? সঠিক উত্তর গ অর্থাৎ contemporary. পরবর্তী প্রশ্ন. Who wrote the two famous novels David Copperfield and The Tale of Two? সঠিক উত্তর চার্লস ডিকেন্স. পরবর্তী প্রশ্ন. Victor Hughes was a? Correct answer গ অর্থাৎ French novelist. Question. Who is the author of first English dictionary? Correct answer C অর্থাৎ Samuel Johnson. পরবর্তী প্রশ্ন. Who is the most famous satirist in England literature? Correct answer B অর্থাৎ Jonah Swift. পরবর্তী প্রশ্ন. Time is old history man কবিতাটি কার লেখা? সঠিক উত্তর রাল্ফ হলস্টন.
এগুলোই ছিল আমাদের আজকের ইংলিশ লিটারেচারের গুরুত্বপূর্ণ এমসিকিউ। আশা করি আপনারা এখান থেকে উপকৃত হবেন। ধন্যবাদ। আল্লাহ হাফেজ।